USB whitelisting through agent tasks. One of the major causes of PC infections with worms and viruses and trojans are USB devices that are connected to the computer. By connecting a USB, sometimes it's enough to infect the system. Assist ITAM can protect the computer from these attacks by using a whitelist, which enables the USB device, if it's allowed to connect, either via a model or a serial number. If the device is not in the whitelist, they're not permitted to connect to the laptop or desktop. To do this, we go to the Settings tab, we click on IT Automation, and we click Client Task Agent, and we click on Add. You will see on the screen, we enable it, we pick a task of whitelisting, we pick the model, etc., etc. To view the whitelisting task, we click on Client Task Agent Details tab, and it will display all of the whitelistings that we have. To set up USB whitelisting, we go to Settings. We navigate down to IT Automation, and we select Client Task Agent. It then brings up the Client Task Agent screen. So for me to add in a new USB whitelist, I click on Add. It asks me for a task name, so I'm going to call this today USB Access. The task type is going to be USB whitelisting. I want it enabled. I can then determine as to which profile I want to allow. At the moment I've picked an individual machines, but I could quite easily click on Add New Profile and add in a particular range or a particular OU or whatever it happens to be. As you can see, I can add in profile name, a range, an individual IP, a node level, etc., etc., should I wish to do so. For the moment, I don't. I'm only going to do it for one machine, so I'm going to cancel that. I'm going to apply this to my AC laptop. The type. What type of whitelisting do I want to access? Is it by model or is it by serial number? I'm going to go by model. The criteria needs to be like, and then I've got to determine the criteria I want. The USB I want to use is a Firestorm ABC. So I type in Firestorm ABC and I add. So I've now determined that I'm going to allow a USB onto this particular laptop only today, where the model is like Firestorm ABC. I submit, and that criteria has been enabled.